Hello friends, after we add the Hyper-V service, now in today's lesson I would like to teach you how to install the window in the hypervisor or Hyper-V. Okay, so now we go to our server manager. So if our service is installed, you can see here Hyper-V. Okay, so now I go to tool and then you find the word Hyper-V. Okay, so in this Hyper-V, I install it on my server, on my physical server. So to create a new window or new host, Windows 10 or Windows 11, you click on it and then you go to New Virtual Machine, or you can right click New Virtual Machine. Okay, then you click Next. So here our machine name, I put uh, Win 10, for example, Win 10 client. Win 10 one, for example, like that, or Win 10 client. Okay. Next, this is just the name of our client. Next, next. So this one you can specify your RAM here. Okay, I put 2 GB. I click next. Okay, network. You can configure it now or later. So I will tell you later for this one. Next. And this one where you create your virtual hard drive. Okay, so let's say this one I put only like 80, okay, or 50, something like that. Okay, next. Yeah, this one you can install later or import your image. Okay, so I can browse my image. I put on data, software, window. Okay, I install the Windows 10. Or you can add the Windows 10, Windows 11, Windows Server here. So you can add multiple window. Next, finish. Okay, so this one after you add, you right click on it and connect. Okay, and start. Okay, the visual, the Hyper-V. You see, now the window is installed. Okay, so this one like you set up the window, you can go on and click next until it finish. So in this step, I don't want to go on detail because it's just the installation the window. So for adding the window Hyper-V, it end in this point. Okay, bye bye.